Today we're sharing an exciting development that will revolutionize space exploration. Boeing's new Starliner capsule is preparing for its first crewed flight to the International Space Station. If you're ready, let's take a look at the details. Boeing's new Starliner astronaut capsule will launch Monday night from NASA's Kennedy Space Center in Florida. The launch will come 2 years after the capsule's first unmanned trip to the orbital laboratory. The gumdrop-shaped CST-100 Starliner, carrying 2 astronauts, will lift off at 10:34 p.m. local time. Starliner will launch on an Atlas V rocket provided by the United Launch Alliance, ULA, a Boeing Lockheed Martin venture. This launch will be the first crewed trip into space using an Atlas rocket since the 1960s. Remember John Glenn's historic flight? The legacy of that rocket lives on. The Starliner, designed to carry 7 crew members, will be piloted by veteran NASA astronauts Barry Butch Wilmore and Sunita Suni Williams. Wilmore has been appointed commander for Monday's flight, while Williams will sit in the pilot's seat. NASA Chief Bill Nelson said, "Because this is a test flight, we are taking extra care. That's why we put 2 test pilots on board." Although Starliner is designed to fly autonomously, the crew can assume control of the spacecraft when necessary. The test flight requires Wilmore and Williams to practice maneuvering the vehicle manually. If all goes as planned, the capsule will arrive at the space station after a flight of about 26 hours and dock with the International Space Station orbiting about 400 kilometers above Earth. Wilmore and Williams are expected to remain on the space station for about a week before bringing Starliner back to Earth for a parachute and airbag-assisted landing. This will be a first for crewed NASA missions. This test flight comes at a critical moment for Boeing, which has experienced safety crises in recent years. Getting Starliner to this point has been a challenging process, fraught with years of development setbacks and more than $1.5 billion in cost overruns on a $4.2 billion fixed-price contract with NASA. Boeing's first attempt to send an uncrewed Starliner to the space station in 2019 failed due to software and engineering flaws. But the second attempt in 2022 was successful, paving the way for Monday night's mission. Host. The success of this attempt will be the first alternative for the space agency to send astronauts into low Earth orbit from U.S. soil, since Elon Musk's SpaceX took on the task of sending astronauts into space for NASA in 2020. Host. If this test flight is successful, Starliner will fly at least 6 crewed missions to the space station for NASA. This means that NASA will receive final approval to begin routine operational flights under the Commercial Crew Program. We will continue to follow these exciting developments closely. We are embarking on a new era of space exploration, and we invite you to join us on this journey. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications. See you in the next video. Bye.